Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Microsoft's Immersive Reader, which is a tool that allows students who struggle with reading get help that they need in order to make them more fluent. Most staff and students don't realize that you can use Microsoft's Immersive Reader with the Office 365 suite. If students can get into the Microsoft Outlook 365, they can click on this button, the App Launcher, and open up Microsoft Word. In order to use the Immersive Reader, simply click and drag to highlight the text that you want to read, click on View, and click on Immersive Reader. Tools in the upper right-hand corner are Text Preferences, which allows you to change size, spacing, font, and themes. The Grammar options allow you to break down the words by syllables, as well as show parts of speech. You can also show the labels above the words. Next, click on Reading Preferences to scroll through what you can do. Enabling line focus allows your students to focus one line at a time. You can increase the reading lines to 3 or to 5, depending upon your document. Immersive Reader also has the wonderful opportunity of using Picture Dictionary supplied by BoardMaker. Click a word to see images and illustrations that correspond with that word. Immersive Reader comes with a whole host of languages that you can translate your document to. Click on the document toggle to turn on the translation. Turn off the toggle to go back to what you previously had. Your document can be read back to you. Click on the voice settings to change the voice speed and voice selection. When ready, click on the play button to have your document read back to you. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please hit the thumbs up down below if you like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. That way when new content's pushed out, you'll be notified. Have a great rest of the day.